Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Brittany, aka Beautifoles. I wanted to start off November with 7 days of gifts that you can get at Sephora. I was lucky enough to be on the receiving end of all of these gifts, so thank you Sephora so much. This is absolutely unbelievable. I have created a little gift guide, so each day is going to be a different category. I will announce them as the days go on, so be sure to tune back every day just in case one of the categories interests you a little bit more. And then after this week, I am going to be utilizing a lot of these products in videos, in tutorials, in reviews, just so that you really know what you want, what you don't want from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and just holiday deals in general. Is it just me, or do the days and weeks fly when it's holiday time? I mean, I'm in the holiday mood, so I can't believe this week is over. We have made it to day 7. This is my favorites, my Sephora holiday favorites. If I were to go into the store, what would I pick? Can you guess? They're products that I pretty much use so much already or have used in the past and I just love, or I think are just such a great value, but let's get right into it so you guys can see what I would personally go into Sephora and choose. Oh my god guys, we made it to day 7. I cannot believe that the full week is over. The first week of November, done. Today I wanted to end the 7 days of Sephora with some of my favorite products that I received in this mailing. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to share these with you. You guys can probably guess like 90% of the products that I'm about to show you right now just because they are such a staple. I am such a ride or die person. I either love the product and will use it religiously and obsess over it, or I'll use it once and never again. So these are my Sephora favorite products. But before we get into it, be sure to subscribe below. Quick, I'll give you 10 seconds this time. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Be sure to click that subscribe button below. Be sure to give it a like and let me know if any of these would be on your favorites down below as well. First things first, I'm the realist. No, I'm kidding. This is the Way Swing Both Ways set. So you have the extra large hair oil, you have the texturizing spray. This stuff smells so good. It smells so fancy. Like, I just love it. And the products are super great. I am going to let you know that I couldn't wait to show you guys this one. I already dug into it, and that's how I know that it's part of my favorites, because I've been absolutely loving these products so much. Next, we have this super cute little NARS package. This is the Orgasm Infatuation palette. So you are going to have your bronzer, your orgasm blush, and your highlight. These are a staple in my everyday makeup. I have been using NARS Orgasm products for as long as I can remember. It's probably my first high-end blush that I've ever purchased, and this is just such a great palette because it has your bronzer, it has your highlight, it has your blush. So basically anything you need to warm up your face, this is it. Next, we have this super cute package. They look like little macaroons. These are the Becca Glow Macaroon Collection Set. So you are going to get 4 mini Becca highlights in here. You are going to get Opal, you're going to get Pressed Vanilla, you're going to get Rose, and you're going to get Amethyst. And if you guys don't know, Becca has probably the best powder highlights ever. They're so creamy and so beautiful, and so this is such a great way to try them out, but also get to use some of the best highlighters ever. Now, while we're talking about highlighters, I just want to show you guys this Laura Mercier highlighting palette. Look at how gorgeous those shades are. Laura Mercier is one of my favorite brands, and these, I haven't dug into this yet because I didn't want to touch it for this video, but I promise in the upcoming weeks I will be using this palette so that you guys can see how it applies, the colors, the swatches, and things like that. So be sure to subscribe below so that you can keep up to date and you know when I'm going to be using these palettes so that you can see them in action. Next, I'm going to show you guys this Bobbi Brown palette that has been calling my name. I didn't want to use it yet for the same reason that I haven't used a lot of these products yet, just because they are holiday curated and I wanted to let it be fresh for the video. But in the upcoming weeks, I will be using these products. Look at how gorgeous this palette is. It is just, it has my name all over it. It's your nice warm tones, shimmer, matte, just gorgeous. So I cannot wait to try this, not to mention the packaging is sick. So fun. Next, we have the Ole Henriksen Glow Brightly set. It is some of my favorite products, like ever. So we have the Truth Serum, which is their vitamin C serum, the Sea Rush brightening cream, the banana eye cream, which is an all-time favorite. I don't think I've ever heard anyone who does not love that eye cream. And then we have the Good Night Retin Alt Night Cream. So I use these products religiously. I have a huge one of this C-Rush brightening cream. I actually have it on today. I am at the wit's end, so I was so excited to receive this because now I have my refills. But the banana eye cream, unbelievable. This is just, I love any vitamin C products ever, so this is just such a great option. Now, I absolutely love fresh products, and I decided that this was going to be the fresh set that made it to my favorites this week. But you have your cleanser, you have your face cream, you have your masks, you have your eye cream, and your chapstick, and this is just perfect little skincare regimen. I absolutely love the face masks that Fresh has. I love their moisturizers, their cleansers, their chapsticks, everything. So this is just such a great option for the skincare lover, for the makeup lover, for honestly anyone. Their products always smell so good too. Now, this product, I've talked about the Body Glow oils from Sol de Janeiro a lot. They smell so good. Like, I love them so much. But this is the Carnival Extravaganza set. So in it you have your body spray, your shower gel, your hand cream, and the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. Guys, you are going to think I am nuts, but every time I come downstairs in my house, my family's like, you smell so good. And I tell them it's my butt cream. But this stuff, I guess it's for like your bum bum, but I kid you not, I was trying to figure out how I can do a review on it without like posting photos of my butt on Instagram and YouTube and things like that. This stuff smells so good, and my rear has been smoother than ever. I feel like it's just, I don't even know how it works, but it is the most amazing thing ever. So, not to mention, it smells so good. So this is like a must for everyone. I don't even think it's like an option for many people. Like, just don't think about it, just get it. Because I think anyone who receives this gift will absolutely love it, and they're gonna be like, why haven't I used this sooner? And now last but certainly not least are my Drunk Elephant gift sets. I cannot even begin to tell you how many people over the last year I have turned on to this skincare brand. It has to be one of my hands down favorites, like favorites. I have gotten all of my friends obsessed. Let's just go into these kits because their skincare is just, I have noticed such a huge difference after using their skincare products. Like, I have little to no texture at all, and I know that the second that I skip up on using some of their skincare products, my skin absolutely goes to, you know, like, it just is not good. So we have two options here. We have the daytime kit and the nighttime kit. So I'm gonna go through both and what's inside each. So inside the daytime kit, we have a full size of the Sephora Day Serum. This is the vitamin C serum. It is unbelievable. I cannot speak highly enough about it. We also have the sunscreen, the eye serum, the moisturizer, and then the hydrating serum. So all of these products are super great, but my favorite and what you're essentially paying for in this package is the Sephora vitamin C serum. But such an unbelievable way to try the rest of the daytime products as well. And now probably my favorite of the two would be the nighttime set. I feel like my nighttime skin regimen does more for my skin than my daytime one, if that makes sense. I feel like during the day I have the pollution from the air and just whatever other things, I'm doing things, I get oily, I feel like things interfere with my daytime skincare regimen. The nighttime skincare regimen, it's like set and forget. You put it on and then you wake up and your skin is transformed the next day. So what the main product is of this nighttime set is definitely the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. So this is a gel exfoliator. It goes on clear and you just leave it, set it, forget it, go to bed, wake up. I kid you not, I have lost all of the texture in my skin because of this product. I swear by it. It is unbelievable. But you're also going to get the cleanser, you're going to get another cream, the eye cream, and then another of the little Hydra intensive serums. If I had to pick between the two, I would definitely pick the nighttime one just because there are other really good daytime products, but the nighttime products are what really get you. And that concludes my 7 days of Sephora gift guides. If you liked what you saw, if you want me to do more gift guides that are beyond just what you can buy at Sephora, let me know down below. Be sure to subscribe in ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Be sure to follow me on all of my social before you get out of here. I will list that next. and it's also linked down below. I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and goodbye.